This 2022 Forest River Georgetown 7 Series 36K7 is a Class A RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama, 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2022 Forest River Georgetown 7 Series 36K7 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.